Hi, this is Brittany with Follow Up CRM. Let's walk through how to integrate with Dataforma. First, log into Dataforma and write down your service code that's found at the top right of the page, and then click your name. Then click on API Keys, scroll all the way down to Manage API Keys. You'll be asked to name the key, and then once you press Submit, the API key is generated. Copy the API key and then log into Follow Up. Select your name in the top right and then click Company Settings. Then select the Dataforma Integration tab. Enter the Dataforma service code that you wrote down earlier, and then enter the API key in the second field, and then press Save. Under the File tab, choose a job you'd like to send to Dataforma. Begin by selecting Send to Dataforma. You're prompted to select either Create a Building or Create Contact. Select whichever one you like, and once you choose an option, you'll see a pop-up in the top right indicating the client or building was created successfully. To view the client or building in Dataforma, hit the View Dataforma button. And then you can view the building or client right in Dataforma. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps.